Today, I'm going to be making a healthy, sugar-free banana bread. This is a great in-between meal snack for anyone trying to cut out their sugar intake. I'm using birch sugar, which is a substitute for real sugar. And we have bananas and chia seeds. And chia seeds have great omega-3 fatty acids. The ingredients we'll be using are baking soda, butter, baking powder, coconut cream, chia seeds, 2 eggs, the birch sugar, vanilla extract, salt, flour, and for a gluten-free option you can also use almond meal, and 3 bananas. Firstly, we're going to add all the wet ingredients into the bananas. First, we have butter. Next, coconut cream. Then we also add the chia seeds because they need moisture to expand. Then we add the birch sugar and our eggs. Finally, we'll add some vanilla extract. About that much is okay. Then we will mix everything and add it all to the dry ingredients. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients into the flour mix. First, we have baking soda, then salt, and then lastly our baking powder. Make sure you mix all of this very well. Once we've mixed both the wet and dry ingredients, we can now add the wet ingredients into the flour mix. Make sure you get everything out and start mixing. When mixing, make sure you don't overmix so the bread stays fluffy. After incorporating all of your ingredients, you can now add to a loaf pan. Make sure your oven is set at 175 degrees and bake for 40 minutes.